complicated, but it's not. It's awesome. For me, this is kind of cooler than the view, because you can get a view from an airplane, you can get a view from anything. This is cool. I'm gonna touch a rock. I mean, I don't understand anybody's saying, but it's history and it's sad and it's unfortunate. I am very privileged to be here seeing this, even though I don't understand what's going on. I will research it. I think that's a bit of your like civic duty. I don't think that's the right phrasing, but yeah, if you're gonna come along and enjoy the sights, maybe understand the sacrifice that went into them. She says, well, not really knowing. I do have a vague idea though. Okay, we have stopped. I'm not sure why. I'm gonna go back and claim my positions since I kind of left everything I own on that side of the train. Guess who's back? Back again. It's me. Not gonna lie, I'm hella nervous. Look how close we are. It's like this much. Maybe a little bit further, but let's check this view. Whoa, I should have stayed in the front cabin with the open window. It's even cooler than the other view. Oh goodness. Scary. Wow. Oh, there's nothing. Okay, I know earlier I said welcome to my panic attack and I was joking, but this is so high. Okay, we're done. Oh, please don't be more. There's more. Oh my God. Guys, I know the train's been going for many years, but how do they make sure it stays up? Because it's like obviously historical, right? So they want to keep it. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm trying not to freak out. It's not working. They want to keep it like as historically accurate as possible, so they don't want to change too many things. But then the mountain, you know, erodes over time. That's how mountains work. That's how rain works. That's how like the movement of the train will make it like erode, right? So how often are they fixing this railway? I don't know. I don't think I want to know. I'm just gonna trust. Oh my good, yeah, trust. Can you see the trust? This trust looks a lot like freaking out. It's very beautiful, I'll give it that. And we haven't crashed, so safety is also 100% so far for this trip. Yeah, I'll keep you posted. Okay, so we finally arrived at the waterfall stop. Does not look super glamorous. Okay, let's see how far it is from the train to the waterfall. Not that far, I'm pretty sure. There is another stop back there where the train sometimes stops, I think on the trips that come during the week. And then you have to get a van up here. But the train comes all the way to the end of the station on the weekends, or to the end station. So I think it's just a short walk to the actual waterfall from here. We'll see soon. And there's definitely a place to buy food and stuff, or at least drinks. So I'll be fine, despite not having bought any dinner on the train. There's some stalls at the bottom as well. Okay, we are here at Tok Sai Yok Noi. So the waterfall at Sai Yok Noi. Let's go. There's almond egg. Bathrooms? Not sure. Hopefully stomach goes by. Okay, so I successfully changed into swimming clothes and put a dress on top. So when you get off the train, you want to look at the restaurants, turn right, there's a changing room and a western toilet right up there. These mossy walls are super beautiful, but what's even more amazing to me are trees like that, with that kind of root system. I don't actually know where the top of this waterfall is. I know it's a really big waterfall, so I'm just gonna put my mask back on because I'm heading towards people. Okay, I found it. So you should not come down. This is just the bottom of the stream. If you really want to, you can come this way. This is where you can see the cool trees, but the waterfall is at the top. So if you want to make the best timing, just go straight to the waterfall. Super nice how mossy it is here. I'll stop speaking now. It's so cool. Okay, keen. Would be nice if you're a group. You can put your stuff together. You don't have to worry about it. I don't really know where to leave my stuff. I'm just gonna put it down. Hope no one steals it. It's worked so far. I don't know. Don't know if that's a good strategy. The water is super cold though. Nice, but very cold. There is this waterfall. So I feel like I just want to put my camera and film myself going as high as possible, all by myself. Why is no one on this one? Are we not allowed to climb this one? Or does just no one want to? I am unsure. No one's going there. Everyone, the guy just looked at me and smiled, so I don't know if I can go there. I'm just not gonna do it for now. Okay, so it is extremely sticky, but it's also very intimidating because it's quite steep and you don't always know if it's going to be sticky. For example, this part, not so sticky. I don't know. So this is a waterfall. It's really big. It's very difficult to get a good angle. Don't know where to put my camera away. It will not wash away, but we'll still get a good angle. So let's just go higher. Oh, people just be falling, jumping, doing whatever they want to. This is so cool. Ah, it's raining. You can't see anything. Also, you can get up, but getting down will be painful or scary, so I wouldn't suggest it. And just under the actual waterfall, it's quite slippery, so be careful even in the flat part, it's quite slippery. I can't see much, and I definitely couldn't see a thing when it was like raining on my head, but it was awesome, no regret. I fully intended to not wear this dress while swimming, but life happened. So now I'm in a wet dress and I could just as well not have put swimming clothes on underneath it. I can't see at all. Guys, look how beautiful. Just amazing. Oh, this part quite slippery. Be careful. That part really cool. Yeah. This is the reason I do solo travel. So no one sees what I look like unless it's edited footage. Because yeah, it's not all glamorous, and it's a mission to try and get in the right places and get the right angles. And I'm pretty sure I have water in my eyeball, and I hope my bag is still doing okay there under that tree. I have no clue. Can't see anything through these glasses. I could just as well have left them down there in the bag. I can't see, I mean I can, but it's like it's literally rained on, so it's very little vision. Okay, someone said that this was an overrated waterfall. I read that online. It's not overrated. It's totally worth seeing. Remember, when you come on the strip, it's not just about this waterfall, it's about everything else you see. If you're just coming for the waterfall, yes, it's far to just see a waterfall, but at the same time it is huge. There are caves, well, one cave, looks like two, but it's one cave system, goes behind this little waterfall as well, and it's really worth it. I will say, as much as it's not overrated, it is definitely underestimated in terms of danger. It is not as non-slip as you think. I have slipped like 5 or 6 times, so be very careful, and I would highly recommend wearing like water shoes with grip, so that if you do slip, because you'll still slip with them, if you do slip, at least you have something to protect your toes. Guys, I don't think you understand the scale of this waterfall and the swimming area. These guys are gonna jump. No, not like the other guys. The other guys jump from way up there. Yeah, from where that little kid is standing right now, that's where others jump from. It's so worth it, guys. It was like 240 baht for the day, and it could have been cheaper if I didn't take the aircon cart. These kids are having the time of their life. Adults are also having a ton of fun. Yeah, I know I said adults are having fun, but they all kind of look boring. They're just kind of sitting around. Literally no one is going up the waterfall on the side there though, so I'm not going to be the one that does that. There must be a reason. Either it's not fun or it's very slippery. Probably a combination of both. But that one is just over there. And then the main one over there on that side. I'm gonna go swim now. Bye! It's really deep! Ah! Don't do this in a dress. Your dress will float behind you and you will look and feel very stupid while a whole bunch of locals look at you. The only farang in the water. In fact, the only farang I saw here. So. Hello! Hi! Hello! Are you having fun? It's only about like knee deep, like if you stand on your knees. I don't want to do that though, but you can. Maybe that's what they meant by overrated. You can't really swim in it, but people just go lie there flat on their backs, one of these many levels. And then they just let the water run over them, and I think that's pretty cool. I don't think that's overrated. Okay, so I'm sat down here in the water, and let's block that guy out. So I don't know how to get him out of my screen. Okay, there's always going to be people, unfortunately. I don't know how. Okay, there we go. Let's try again. So I'm sat down here in the water, and the waterfall is up there, and it's really, really beautiful. So I'm in a little cave, and not gonna lie, I'm really freaking out about snakes or the possibility of them. Just gonna hope there are none. Yeah, this is where I am. I'm so happy I came. Bring your mom? Hi! people staring at me. Super not cool. I mean, I'm laughing, but it's not funny. It's awkward. It's awkward when you don't know what the joke is. Or it's actually, it's more awkward when you know the joke is you, but you're not sure why. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know why that random dude keeps appearing in my videos, so shout out to whoever he is, if anyone knows him. Yeah, let's take one more video of the actual waterfall and then let's get out because I'm starting to feel really weird. The only other adult in here is some grandpa with his 3 grandkids over there. Anyway, bye!
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Yeah, well, it's my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Yeah, well, it's my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world.
So our train has stopped here for just under an hour at the Kanchanaburi stop, which is not where the bridge over the River Kwai is. That's actually the next stop, well, technically previous on our journey back. So yes, that's one closer to the waterfall. This one is one closer to Bangkok, and it is not what I thought it was. But there are some market stalls and there's some street art, and I didn't order dinner, so this is my dinner spot.